headphones ready, and the vintage race, I feel like this has got me written all over it, but I will stay where I am.
Well, Jay, as I said earlier, vintage only applies to the kart and not the driver. So all you would need is an old kart, and you can race in this class yourself too.
Also get bonus points for being older and an old kart. I went automatic. I will turn off my mic.
All right, it's going to be a rolling start here as well for these vintage karts here as they get ready to go. Josh Fisher, Sean Welts, Brad Nicholson, and Aaron Kruger, your 4 karts here in Vintage Open. We do have one more vintage class later today though, that would be for Mac and Yamaha. And they make their way around the track on their warm-up lap. It's going to be 6 laps for this vintage race. 6. All right, they're coming around turn number 6 right now. Vintage action going on track now. Josh Fisher leads. As Sean Welch still leads. Josh Fisher had fast lap that last time by 39.453, 4 tenths faster than Sean Welch. We'll have to see if he can get the pass done. It's one thing to catch the guy, but it's a whole other problem to pass him. Fisher resets fast lap there, 38.637. What a lap by him. That was 1.2 seconds faster than the next fastest lap by Sean Welton at number 6, 39.8. As Josh Fisher resets fast lap, once again, 38.3. Fisher 1.8 seconds faster than second place Sean Welch. That's fast lap to fast lap when you look at lap to lap. 38.062 versus 40.3. And Brian Nicholson almost gets the pass done, but Sean Welch will come into second. Brian Nicholson and Doug Brown Sr.